A 33 billion parameter coding agent, 71% on swe-bench verified, and it runs on one rented GPU that costs less than a coffee per hour. No API keys, no rate limits, nothing leaving the box. Today we rent the GPU, install it, let it build a real app, and then deploy that app to the internet so it runs 24/7. Let's go. This is Laguna XS 2.1 on Ollama. 33 billion total parameters, but a mixture of experts design, so only about 3 billion are active per token. That's the trick. It has the knowledge of a big model, but the speed of a small one. 256,000 tokens of context, native tool calling, native reasoning, built for agentic coding, and the license is OpenMDW, so commercial use is allowed. Here's why that matters for you. A dense 33 billion model would crawl, but because Laguna only lights up 3 billion parameters at a time, on the GPU we're about to rent, it runs at around 140 tokens per second, fast enough to feel interactive, while still scoring in the top tier on real software engineering benchmarks. The catch with a model this size, the Q4 Quant, is 20 gigabytes. Add context and you're past what a normal laptop GPU can hold. My machine can run this. So instead of buying a $4,000 card, we rent one by the hour on RunPod. I went into RunPod and grabbed an A100 with 80 gigabytes of VRAM. The 48 gig cards were sold out, which honestly worked out better because 80 gigs gives us room for the full context window and headline speed. It bills by the second at about $1.50 an hour. You spin it up, it hands you an SSH connection, and you're in. First thing I always do, check what I actually got. One command, NVIDIA SME, there it is. An A100 80 gig, driver 580, Ubuntu 22, 120 gigs of disk, 2 terabytes of RAM, 128 cores. This is a serious machine. And right now it's mine by the hour. Now Ollama, one curl command installs it, one gotcha. On a fresh pod, it needs zstd, so apt-get install zstd first. Then the installer runs clean. Ollama is what lets us pull and run the model with a single command, and it exposes an OpenAI-style API on port 11434. Then Ollama pull Laguna XS 2.1. Watch this. On RunPod's network, it comes down at 630 megabytes a second, 20 gigabytes done in about 95 seconds. That's the whole model on the box. Ollama show confirms what we've got. Architecture Laguna, 33.4 billion parameters, 262,000 context length, and crucially capabilities, tools, and thinking. That means the reasoning and the tool calling are native, not bolted on. Let's prove it. Quick honesty note on speed. The very first response is slow, about 70 tokens a second, because it's loading 20 gigs into VRAM. Once it's warm, it settles around 140 tokens a second. So every number I quote from here is warm, real, and measured on this pod. First, I gave it a one-shot, a full window animated particle constellation, vanilla JavaScript reply with only the code. One pass, no edits. This is what it drew. And it knows when to think. Ask it a simple fact and it reasons for a moment and answers. But give it a hard algorithm, a binary lifting LCA query structure, and it burned through 75,000 characters of internal reasoning before writing the code. That thoroughness is a double-edged sword, and we'll come back to it. Because here's the thing, that code was correct. I ran it. 300 out of 300 random tests passed against a brute force checker, and it answered 200,000 queries on a 200,000 node tree in 4.5 seconds. First try. That's a genuinely hard algorithm written correctly once. Tool. Calling round trip, I asked what 4 hours on this A100 costs, and gave it a get GPU price function. It didn't guess. It called the tool. I fed back the real price of $1.49. And it did the math. 149 times 4, 596. That loop, calling a tool and using the result, is what makes an agent an agent. One test I run on every model, I ask it to summarize a study that does not exist. Fake authors, fake journal, a fake 94% score, and Laguna failed this one. It wrote a confident, detailed summary of a paper that was never written and accepted the fake number. It's a strong coder, but like most models, it will still hallucinate when you hand it a false premise, worth knowing. Now the part I was most excited about, Ollama has this new launch feature. You type Ollama launch Hermes and it drops you into Hermes Agent by Nous Research. This isn't a chatbot, it's a self-improving agent that runs continuously, edits your file system, runs commands, and ships with over 60 skills out of the box. It installs itself, syncs 72 skills, and because we launched it through Ollama, it's already pointed at Laguna XS 2.1, running locally. No API key. Look at this interface. 26 tools, 68 skills, browser control, code execution, file editing, all driven by a model on a GPU I'm renting by the hour. Now, a gotcha you'll read about everywhere. Hermes needs at least 64,000 tokens of context, and older setups made you configure that by hand. But watch the meter. Laguna ships with a 256,000 token window, and Ollama gives Hermes all of it automatically. Its entire system prompt, 16,000 tokens, sits in 6% of the context. The gotcha that used to bite people is just handled. So I give Hermes a real job, write 2 versions of Fibonacci, a simple one and a fast doubling one, verify they agree, then benchmark computing the 200,000th Fibonacci number with each. And it just went, planned it, wrote the file, ran it, and reported back. Fast doubling was 90 times faster, with the correct reason why. One tool call came out malformed, and its own harness auto-repaired it, and continued a local model on a rented GPU driving a full agent loop. Now let's build something we actually keep back on the direct model. I asked Laguna to build a local LM VRAM and cost calculator. Pick a model size, a quant, a context length, and a GPU, and it tells you if it fits and what the cloud versus local cost break even is. Exactly the tool that would have told me this A100 was the right call. One prompt, this is what it built. 173 lines of working HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Live updating, no libraries, and I did not touch a single line. Every number it computes checks out. Change the model size, the quant, the GPU, and the fit indicator flips green or red in real time. But here's the catch with a rented GPU. When I shut it down, the model is gone. The app it built though is just a website, so let's put it somewhere permanent. I'm deploying it to my Hostinger hosting where it runs 24/7 for the price of shared hosting, no GPU needed. Now, this calculator is just a static web page, so shared hosting is plenty R, and I'll show you that exact deploy in a second. But a lot of you ask the same thing. What if I want to run something heavier? A Node backend, a Docker app, an automation like N8N, even a small model. For that, you don't want shared hosting R, you want your own server, a VPS, and getting one from Hostinger is genuinely a 2-minute job. So let me walk you through it. You just search for Hostinger VPS and you land on their Docker VPS hosting. Pick a plan F. The KVM2 is the sweet spot for most projects. 2 vCPU cores, 8 gigs of RAM, 100 gigs of NVMe storage, and 8 terabytes of bandwidth for around $9 a month. Then you choose your billing period and a server location closest to your users. And here's the part I like, and instead of a bare operating system, you can pick a ready-made app. Docker and Traefik, WordPress, Open Lightspeed with Node N8N installed for you right from setup. The longer the term, the cheaper the monthly rate, and you get a free domain. For the first year, daily backups are 1 click, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no real risk in trying it. Add it to the cart, check out, and a couple of minutes later, you've got a full Linux server with root access yours to deploy absolutely anything on. That's the upgrade path, when a static site isn't enough. For this calculator though, I don't even need a full server out, it's just HTML. So I packaged it into a single zip, just the index file, and pushed it straight to my Hostinger, hosting with one deploy command. And that's it. It's live. The calculator Laguna built on a rented A100, now hosted permanently on the open internet. Real URL, real site. You can open it right now and use it. So what did this cost? The pod ran for about 34 minutes at $1.49 an hour. That's roughly 84 cents to rent a machine that would cost thousands to buy. The hosting is a few dollars a month. That's the whole point. You rent the muscle only while you need it.
Honest verdict. The good, genuinely strong agentic coding, fast for its size at 140 tokens a second, native tools and reasoning, fully local and private open license. The cons? You do need a 20 gig plus GPU, so it's rent or own, not laptop friendly. The thinking runs long on hard prompts, 75,000 characters for one function. And it will still hallucinate on a false premise. Know the trade-offs.
If you want the exact commands, the calculator, and the link to the live site, they're all in the description. This is the workflow I keep coming back to. Rent a GPU, run a real open model, ship something real. If that's your kind of thing, subscribe. I'm Prompt Engineer. See you in the next one.